How do Akitas handle car rides? The Akita is a majestic and powerful dog breed that originated in Japan. Known for their loyalty, intelligence, and independence, Akitas make excellent companions and loyal family members. As with any dog, it is important to ensure that they are comfortable and safe during car rides, as this can be a common mode of transportation for many pet owners. In this article, we will explore how Akitas handle car rides and provide some tips on how to make their experience a positive one. 1. Introduce them to car rides gradually. Just like humans, some dogs may have a fear or anxiety of car rides. Therefore, it is important to introduce your Akita to car rides gradually and in a positive manner. Start by taking them on short rides, gradually increasing the duration over time. Make the experience enjoyable by providing treats, praise, and comfort during the ride. 2. Use a secure and comfortable crate. Akitas are known for their strength and independence, so it is crucial to provide them with a secure and comfortable crate during car rides. This will not only keep them contained and safe, but it will also help minimize motion sickness and anxiety. Make sure the crate is the appropriate size for your Akita, allowing them to sit, stand, and lie down comfortably. 3. Secure the crate properly. Properly securing the crate is essential to ensure the safety of your Akita and other passengers in the car. Use seat belts or other restraints to prevent the crate from moving or tipping over during sudden stops or sharp turns. This will help prevent injuries to your Akita and reduce their anxiety during the ride. 4. Provide a familiar and comforting environment. Akitas are known for their attachment to their family members and their love for their own space. To make their car ride more comfortable, provide them with familiar items such as their favorite blanket or toy. These items will provide them with a sense of security and make the environment more familiar, reducing their stress and anxiety. 5. Take frequent breaks. Long car rides can be tiring and stressful for any dog, including Akitas. Take frequent breaks to allow your Akita to stretch their legs, get some fresh air, and relieve themselves. This will help break up the monotony of the ride and make it more enjoyable for your furry friend. 6. Keep the car well ventilated. Akitas have a thick double coat, which means they are more prone to overheating. Ensure the car is well ventilated by opening windows or using air conditioning. This will help maintain a comfortable temperature for your Akita during the ride and prevent them from getting overheated. 7. Avoid feeding them right before the ride. To minimize the risk of motion sickness, avoid feeding your Akita a large meal right before a car ride. It is best to feed them a few hours before the ride or wait until you reach your destination. If your Akita tends to get car sick, consult with your veterinarian about possible remedies or medications. In conclusion, Akitas can handle car rides with proper introduction, preparation, and care. Gradually introducing them to car rides, providing secure and comfortable crates, and creating a familiar and comforting environment will help make their experience more enjoyable and minimize anxiety. Remember to take frequent breaks, keep the car well ventilated, and avoid feeding them right before the ride. By following these tips, you can ensure that your Akita has a safe and pleasant car ride.